With more than 35 years of experience, Zero.Point.Systems is the leading supplier of modular zero-point rapid clamping cylinders with hydraulic or pneumatic operation. The use of high-precision machinery tools is crucial. That's why we rely on DMG Mori machines and complementary software solutions. In this context, planning is at the very heart of digitization. Hence, we rely on ISTOS's production planning. Today, thanks to ISTOS's production planning, I can optimally plan and process all production orders based on my currently available resources. The software also helps me plan rush orders by taking into account pre-existing orders, and it allows me to react to supply shortfalls in real time. Now I am able to track and trace particularities of the manufacturing process and make reliable predictions about delivery dates. Thanks to production feedback, we can now expand the paperless process from planning to production and send production orders directly to the corresponding machines. Here our machine operators can accept and process the production orders and report back to production planning. In this way, I receive continuous feedbacks from PDA and MDC in real time. My next step is to further increase the level of synergy between production planning and production feedback and make it the leading assistance system for production and assembly.